Yo, what's up, Life Hacks fam? What's up, Life Hacks fam? It's your boy, back with another video. And this time we're tackling a huge problem. Plastic waste. We all know it's everywhere. Clogging up landfills, polluting our oceans. It's seriously messed up. But listen up, because I'm about to blow your mind with 7 insane ways you can reuse plastic at home. We're talking turning trash into treasure, people. Get ready to hit that like button and subscribe, because we're about to get crafty, save the planet, and maybe even have some fun doing it. Let's go! Alright, first up, let's talk about plastic bottles. We all got them. Water bottles, soda bottles, juice bottles, they're everywhere. But instead of chucking them in the recycling bin, which let's be honest, sometimes ends up in the landfill anyway, we're gonna turn them into something awesome, planters. Yeah, you heard me right, it's crazy easy. Just grab a bottle, any size will do, and chop off the top part. You can use scissors or a knife, just be careful. Then, punch a few holes in the bottom for drainage. Your plants need to breathe, you know? And boom! You've got yourself a free, stylish planter. You can even get creative and decorate it with paint, markers, whatever you're feeling. Next up, we're tackling those pesky plastic bags that seem to multiply like rabbits. I swear, they're everywhere. But, hold on to your hats because I'm about to show you a mind-blowing way to turn them into something super useful. We're talking about weaving. Yeah, weaving. You can take those flimsy plastic bags, cut them into strips, and weave them together to create some seriously durable stuff. Think doormats, baskets, even tote bags. It's like magic, but with plastic bags. Trust me, this is a game changer. You'll be saving money, reducing waste, and maybe even impressing your friends with your newfound weaving skills. Alright guys, get ready to be amazed because this next one is seriously cool. We're going to take those plastic cups you use for parties and turn them into a stunning chandelier. Yeah, you heard me right, a chandelier. It sounds crazy, but trust me, it's totally doable. You'll need a bunch of cups, some string or wire, and a little bit of creativity. You can arrange the cups in any design you want, hang them at different lengths, and even add some lights for extra flair. This is a great way to add some personality to your space, while also reusing those plastic cups that might otherwise end up in the trash. Chapter 4, Bottle Cap Mosaic Art. Now let's talk about bottle caps. Those little guys can really add up, but don't even think about throwing them away. We're going to turn them into something truly epic mosaic art. Yeah, you heard me right, mosaic art. It's way easier than it sounds, I promise. Just grab some cardboard or a piece of wood for your base, then get to gluing those bottle caps on there in whatever design your heart desires. You can create abstract patterns, make a portrait of your favorite celebrity, or even spell out your name. Once the glue is dry, you can grout it if you want a more polished look. Boom! You've got yourself a one-of-a-kind piece of art that'll have everyone talking. Listen up everyone, because this next one is for all you crafty folks out there. We're going to tackle those little plastic straws that always seem to end up in the landfill, but not anymore. We're going to turn them into something fun and fabulous. Think colorful jewelry, funky keychains, even miniature sculptures. The possibilities are endless. You can cut them, bend them, glue them. Let your imagination run wild. This is a great activity to do with kids too. They'll love getting creative and making their own unique creations. Plus, it's a fun way to teach them about the importance of reusing and upcycling. Alright folks, this next hack is so simple, it's almost embarrassing. We're talking about turning those old plastic lids into coasters. Yeah, you heard me right, coasters. It's one of those why didn't I think of that moments. All you need are a few lids, the same size or different sizes, it's up to you, some glue, and your favorite paint or decorative paper. Just glue the lids together in a stack, decorate the top however you like, and voila! You've got yourself a set of unique coasters that will protect your furniture from those pesky water rings. Plus, you'll feel good knowing you're keeping those lids out of the landfill. Alright, last but not least, let's talk about those bulky plastic milk cartons. They take up so much space in the recycling bin, but don't even think about tossing them out just yet. We're going to turn them into something super practical, storage bins. Yeah, you heard me right, storage bins. It's another one of those crazy easy hacks that'll have you wondering why you haven't been doing this all along. Just grab a carton, give it a good rinse, and let's get to work. You can cut off the top part to create an open bin, or keep the top on and cut a flap for easy access. Then, let your inner artist shine and decorate those bins to your heart's content. And there you have it, life hacks fam! 7 ingenious ways to reuse plastic at home. We've got planters, woven wonders, dazzling chandeliers, mosaic masterpieces, straw creations, cool coasters, and storage solutions, all made from stuff you were about to throw away. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to saving our planet, so get creative, have some fun, and let's turn that trash into treasure. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed these epic hacks. Subscribe for more awesome content and let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. Until next time, stay awesome.